How to connect Exness to TradingView. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to connect your Exness account to TradingView. This integration allows you to trade directly from TradingView using your Exness account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com and log into your TradingView account or sign up if you don't have one. Once logged in, open the chart you want to trade from. Click on the Trading Panel tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Trading Panel, you see a list of supported brokers. Scroll through the list to find the Exness. Click on it to start the connection process. You'll be prompted to enter your Exness login credentials, so provide your account number and password. Make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Exness account for added security. After logging in, follow the prompts to complete the connection. TradingView will link to your Exness account, and you'll be able to view your Exness account balance and execute trades directly from TradingView. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Exness account to TradingView, and now you can trade more efficiently and take advantage of TradingView's powerful charting tools. For more tips and tutorials, check the description below. Thanks for watching.